this is how to play Jehovah tshepile wena. So I will use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. Okay. So before any waste of time, let's get straight to it. Don't forget to subscribe. I will first play it and break it down after. So yeah, it starts right here. So this is how we play our song. Okay. So it starts. Let me first break it in G sharp. Okay. So it starts right here. Jehovah, 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 tshepile wena. Okay, Jehovah, sorry, Jehovah, tshepile wena. I hope you saw it, ne? Okay, it starts right here. 1, 4, but on my right is 2. Okay, it's like Jehovah, but I like using this one. It's 2. Okay, Jehovah, 4, 1, 3, 4 straight. Okay, this one is 4. Ne? Tshepile. Then you go to 2, 3, 2, 1, then 5, then you come back to 1. Okay, so there is this part kamatsatsi. Kamatsatsi limatsatsi, oh Jehovah, tshepile wena. This part is the same thing. Okay, just like this, it's the same as the first one. Okay, so it starts right here. 3, 1, 2. Okay, 3, then 3 again, then 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, then 2, then 1. Jehovah, sorry, yeah, this is then tshepile wena, same thing. Okay, it's like kamatsatsi limatsatsi. Same thing. Okay, so yeah, let's jump to F sharp. Okay, so in F sharp it starts right here. Sorry, this one. Okay, it's like Jehovah, Jehovah, re tshepile, re tshepile wena. Okay, so this is how it goes. Then there is this part. Okay. Like lima tsatsi, oh Jehovah, re tshepile wena. So the song is a little bit tricky, guys. If you doesn't practice it, it won't be simple for you. But please, if you didn't understand, go and check again and again. Ne? It says Kama Tatsi Lima Tati, oh Jehovah, re. Same thing, okay? So yeah, let's jump straight to C sharp. C sharp, okay? Let's break it down in C sharp, okay? So which is also known as D flat, okay? So it starts right here. It's like Jehovah, re tshepile wena. Okay, Jehovah, re tshepile wena. I hope you also eat. Re tshepile wena. Okay, so that part, like ka matsatsi ele matsatsi, oh Jehovah, re tshepile. Okay, very simple. Like you can do something like Kamatsatsi ili matsatsi, oh Jehovah, re tshepile wena. So yeah, simple. So yeah, thank you.